Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. For the first time yesterday, October 9th, I uploaded 3 videos in one day. For the past few months, since I've started getting monetization back in May 23rd, 2019, I try to upload new videos about once every day, consistently. And here is the stats since May 23rd. It's been roughly about 5.5 months, and here is the trend of my views inside of my YouTube channel analytics. So it started about 500 views for the day, and it's increasing slowly but surely. Now it's doing roughly 1,000 views a day, so it doubled in views. So that's with one video posted a day. And let's look at the revenue. So the revenue also doubled, it seems, from roughly $6 a day. Now it's doing about 10 to 12 a day. So for this experiment, what if I post multiple times a day? 3 videos, 4 videos, 5 videos per day, and I'll continue to do it for the next 30 days, 60 days, or however long I can manage to come up with new video ideas and post them to YouTube. I want to see how quickly I can build up the views and increase my earnings. Okay, so today is the start of this experiment. Well, yesterday I started posting 3 already, and I'll continue to post multiple videos a day and keep you guys updated. Please subscribe to see how this experiment goes, and if you have any questions, comments, please post in the comments section below this video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy marketing.